Hey, welcome back guys. So here's how you download the DRL Simulator, install it, set everything up, and set up your, well, I'll be using a Taranis, but even if you are using a different transmitter, the setup's going to be very similar. So first let's set up the transmitter.
Hey JC, welcome back.
Like I said, if you are using a different one, it's going to be the same probably. Really, we're just creating a new model and a couple switches. So I will create a new model. I will name it later, but I'll do that after this video. And then I don't know if this has any play in it or not, but I just leave it set to D16 mode. And then for mode, I'll leave it set to Master Jack. Then we want to come over to Mixer and create, once again, I'll name this later. You need two switches, one to reset the game and then one to just reset your multi-rotor. So I'll just make one switch right there, and then create another switch on a different switch, and that's it. That's literally all you have to do. Then once you are ready to use this, all you do is just leave this turned on and plug in a USB cable into the backside, and you're good to go. Now, as far as downloading the simulator, you can go to the droneracingleague.com/simulator, and then if you scroll down, you can download the simulator here. Once you have it downloaded, I placed it in I just made a folder for simulators. The folder is zipped, so you need to unzip it, right click, extract all, and I'm extracting it into the same folder. Okay, once it's extracted, we can now delete the download because we no longer need it. Then click on this, and here is the launcher. I will go ahead and make a shortcut and then put this on my desktop. And then let's click on that. I'm going to go ahead and plug in my transmitter, like I said, with it turned on already. Okay, once you're in here, you probably want to go to, let me turn the volume down, go to settings, and you can set your graphic settings. I have mine set to high. Actually, I'll just set this to low so it doesn't mess with my screen recorder. Once you click apply, then you can go back, choose controller. I'll go ahead and delete this and create a new one. So I'm using the Taranis, so I will click that, then next. Now it's telling me to center both sticks, so I have all my sticks centered, then click next. Move the left stick up and down. Do this a few times until the next button appears. Same thing for y'all. Then pitch, roll. Now that those two switches that we made, I'm going to flip one of them until the next button appears, and then keep flipping the other one until the next button appears. If you recenter your sticks, then they should be centered right here. If not, then you can use this dead zone. Mine is centered, so I can just click next. Then I can test my sticks out, so throttle is correct, yaw is where I want it, pitch, and roll. If you need to flip-flop roll and yaw, then you can do that here. I'll test both of my switches. This is my restart switch, reset switch. Click complete. And that's it. Now we can go back. Audio, you can adjust that. Drone settings. Don't worry about setting all this up right now, because you can actually go into the game, and then you can make changes in game. So fly around with it first and then adjust from there. So we can go back, exit. If you want, you can set up your profile, which I've already done here. You can just click on all of these. You can pick your own profile picture, your name, and a bunch of other stuff. Another thing you can do is go to maps, and it gives you this one map, but there's 4 extra maps. You do have to download those, so you can actually you can click these and have them downloading as you're playing on the first map, and it's not going to affect your game or anything like that. So I'll just go ahead and get these downloading. And that's pretty much it. You can click on the training tab, and that's just going to kind of teach you how to use the game and stuff like that. It's really boring. Or you can go to single player, where you can do racing or freestyle flying. I've tried multiplayer, but I haven't been able to like find anybody online. I don't know if that's something with the game or something I'm doing wrong. So you see here, it's saying there's nobody online, which I don't know if that's true or not, but so if we go to single player, and then we'll just click on freestyle. Like I said, right now this is the only map you have until these are finished downloading. To skip through this little intro, you can just click your reset switch. Now test your transmitter out, see if everything's working. If not, then you probably mess something up whenever you set up your transmitter in the setup screen. But if you do crash, you can click the drone reset switch, or sometimes you get into a position where it won't reset the drone, so you can click the other switch, which it will reset the whole game. You can press the escape key on your keyboard, and this is, like I was saying, how you can make all of your multi-rotor adjustments here in game. So let's just say let's adjust the camera tilt. You can see it adjusting in real time. Adjust the camera field of view. You've got your rates and everything like that, and you can also adjust how much your multi-rotor weighs, how much power the motors are giving, gravity, stuff like that. So make all of your setting changes, and then you can just do resume game, and then they're set. So if I helped you out, please give me a like. Look in the description below for links to other videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon.